What's up, y'all? It's Bryan, back with Winning Edge Carwash. You know I have another one. So today, just showing y'all, look, it don't matter where you at, what you doing, how you doing it, all that good stuff. I'm gonna come to you and I'm gonna get it done. So we in the middle of a parking garage, thankfully away from the sun. So we got this Camaro sitting high behind me, and we just gonna get a little quick wash in on it. So I'm gonna show y'all again what Winning Edge Car Wash can do for you in the middle of nowhere. We come with the water, electricity, chemicals, all that good stuff. So we don't need nothing from you besides the keys to your vehicle. You pull up to the trailer, as you can see behind me, and we get it done. So you know, everything that we do is quality, top notch. So let's take a look at it and before and after. So let's check it out. So it's just dusty at the moment. The wheels got a little bit of dirt and stuff on them, and same thing with the sides. Right here, right there, same thing. So yeah, we gonna get her cleaned up, get it shiny, show you the difference in what a Winning Edge car wash will do for you. So yeah, but gotta get it looking good for the part, gotta get it looking good for the night. Whenever you're going out, you know, just let me know up ahead of time, and we can get you right. So let's go ahead and get started, and we're gonna knock this thing out real quick and keep it pushing. All right, guys, we back. We got the Camaro drippy wet. So let's go take a let's go take a look at it and see what it came out looking like. So boom, here we go. Y'all can see immediately that that thing is real nice and shiny and glistening. It's gonna be 60. What you think about it? That's what's up. Got the wheels with the special gloss on the black. Then wet up the parking lot. All right, guys, that's it for this one. I'll get back with y'all on the next one. Go check out winningedgecarwash.com.